Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're into tech and want the latest and greatest from Samsung and Apple, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into two of the best flagship smartphones of 2025, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Both of these phones are loaded with premium features and cutting-edge technology, but which one should you actually buy? Let's break it down so you can make the best decision for your needs. So, why should you choose the Galaxy S25 Ultra over the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Here's why. The Galaxy S25 Ultra takes the crown in the camera department. It comes with a 200 megapixel main sensor, which absolutely outshines the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 48 megapixel camera. If you're into zoom shots, low-light photography, or just capturing incredible detail, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the way to go. Plus, you get an extra lens and more advanced manual controls, perfect for photography enthusiasts who want the DSLR-like experience. In terms of design, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is slightly thinner, narrower, and lighter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. While both phones are big and heavy, the S25 Ultra's design feels a bit more comfortable for extended use. If you're going to be holding your phone for long periods, you might find the Galaxy easier to handle. When it comes to AI, Samsung is taking the lead with new AI tools. For example, the personal data engine learns your habits and acts like a smart assistant. You can also perform complex tasks using multitasking voice commands. Pretty cool, right? Apple is catching up with AI, but right now, Samsung is definitely ahead in this area. Okay, so you might be thinking, what about the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Well, here's why it might be a better option for some of you. If you care about speed and app performance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has the edge. Thanks to its A18 Pro chip, everything on the iPhone runs super smooth and efficient, especially with iOS-specific optimizations. The Snapdragon 8 Elite in the S25 Ultra is incredibly powerful too, but Apple's software optimization gives the iPhone a slight advantage when it comes to real-world app performance. Surprisingly, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is actually $100 cheaper than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, the price difference might not be huge, but if you're looking to save some money, it's worth considering. You're getting a flagship phone for a bit less cash, always a good option if you're budget conscious. And here's one thing, Apple's always been great at resale value. iPhones generally hold their value much better than Android devices, so if you decide to sell your phone a year or two down the road, you'll probably get more money back with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you're someone who likes to upgrade every couple of years, that's definitely a point to think about. So, now that we've broken it all down, here's the deal. If you're all about photography, want the best AI features, or need a lighter, sleeker phone, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the way to go. But if you're looking for smoother app performance, a slightly lower price, and better resale value, then the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the smarter choice. Both phones are incredible, so it really depends on what matters most to you. So, which one are you leaning towards? Are you Team Galaxy S25 Ultra, or are you going for the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments below which features are most important to you when choosing your next phone. That's it for today's comparison, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.